Oh, Maryland, my Maryland, avenge the patriotic gore that flecked the streets of Baltimore, and be the battle queen of yore. Maryland, my Maryland, hark to an unwritten son's appeal. Maryland, my mother state to the ideal. Maryland, my Maryland.
Amount of power. We had a candidate that until it's too late. Stay warm this winter. A new heating and cooling system from BGE Home.
Should look at this, even if we can't get the votes with these judges. It's the only way we can actually get the Constitution out there, because obviously these Democrats that hold it up don't even know what's in it.
Well, you have to understand, though, the Republicans aren't in control of the House. They literally can't even talk about impeachment of any judges because they don't control the place. That's a problem.
I understand that part.
Maryland's real estate authority, who is here in studio to share some of his success stories. Thanks, Brian. Great to be here. These are amazing. Here we go with the...
Continue on Maryland 140 West for 2 miles.
What are you doing? It's a one-way. The next phase of the trial of convicted Catholic Gazette killer Jared Ramos has been postponed after defense attorney.
Lower property values because of the restrictions on the HUD places. How much they're going to pay? One texter said 110%.
Showers through about 8 p.m. Temps right around 70, and then after 8, that's when the storms come in. Heavy rain, thunderstorms possible, gusty winds dipping down into the low 50s overnight.
Candy. That's from Chris from Hartford County. Yeah, Chris, Necco candy wafers. They're little candy wafers. They're
And don't forget, Mars and the model are approved. Confidence. What does confidence mean to you? Well, confidence can be defined.
Learn how to get started making money flipping houses right here in Baltimore. If so, we have an amazing opportunity for you. We're looking for a small group of motivated individuals to join our real estate investing team. You'll be introduced to our 3-step system for flipping homes right here in the local area. This is Paul. That does not represent the views of the station. That's true. I do not. And I'm also a Jets fan, so I know I'm never going to see it. For a small group of motivated individuals to join our real estate investing team, you'll be introduced to our 3...
After the Shawan Road interchange heading into the work zone at Padonia Road. I'm Jim Ross, WBAL News Radio 1090 and FM 101.5.
That person's just going to pull out in front of me.
Located throughout the Inner Harbor. More of the C4 show is ahead. That's after traffic and weather here on WBAL News Radio 1090 and FM 101.
The call, John. Have a happy Halloween.
Trivia for you. You know the trivia about that?
I know that they were somewhere in Massachusetts, right?
Go! If it wasn't a student, yeah, someone probably, like, it was probably a pet. Probably a pet or something, and then he got out and needed the...
In the neighborhood, who would, like, just hand out circus peanuts back before, you know, it was inappropriate to give kids non-sanctioned candy. Runts are another one that not a lot of people like. They're just
Jesus Christ, go. Oh my God.
because it's going to be a long, long road. And what I mean is this Home Act, this idea that we're going to expand affordable housing by
Go Eagles! Navy football on WBAL News Radio 1090 and FM 101.5.
Biggest immune systems in the animal kingdom. Their fat cells contain the essential oils needed to fight off deadly infection and rejuvenate skin.
Congratulations, but also what Netflix is doing with this and what the models
more people
are
can't
film in theaters or just streaming services. And
On 29 North, you start to slow from Broken Land Parkway to before Frederick Road. 95 North in the city still slow from 695 all the way through the Fort McHenry Tunnel. A little bit better on 895 getting through the Harbor Tunnel. 395 South, still plenty of volume there. JFX.
Had me go faster.
The first phase, evidence they might see during this trial is suggested in a massive case file. Court records name 198 possible.
real big size sticker for real big size M&Ms. Now there was another
that vote on the Hill saying that this is the greatest witch hunt in history. We also heard from his press secretary who said this does nothing but enshrine unacceptable violations of due process.
Maybe we give to stop having some innovation if the price of innovation is high-priced drugs. I thought to myself,
I stopped.
Or being threatened possibly immediately, approximately, you should be able to defend yourself.
Payout. At 11:06, I'm Dawn White on WBAL News Radio 1090 and FM 101.5. This hour of the C4 Show is brought to you by Hollywood Casino Perryville, your 24/7 entertainment destination.
now. WBAL News Update on WBAL News Radio 1090 and in Greater Baltimore FM 101.5.
Cloudy 71 at 5. Matt Schlappen there. He runs things at CPAC, and he was on CNN this morning. He's a free agent to do that. Chris Wallace is here. He cannot go on CNN, and he's not. You're not unhappy about that, right?
Intervene as a society to get them back on the right track. In that instruction, you'll learn how to get started flipping homes and how to build long-term wealth with income property. To get 2 free tickets to Paul's workshop, text your 5 digits of
The I-Team on Baltimore's news leader, WBAL TV 11 News.
your favorite radio station.
And now you're up to date on the news. Stand by for weather and traffic.